Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Happy Wednesday. This week uploading time is a bit all over the place, but from next week we're going back to Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. So today we're going to share how to make super cute, easy greetings card. You just need some background, a few stamps and a few embellishments. As usual guys, keep watching and I'll see you very soon. Okay guys, wow, it's been a very long time. I feel like I've not done a proper chatting video for ages. Happy New Year. Now it's been a long time, but I just want to say thank you for all the amazing feedback about my December daily freebie oven countdown. So it's something that I'm going to do every year. That's for sure, because the feedback from you guys has been phenomenal. So thank you for the bottom of my heart. So this year I'm just going to make tons of card making videos because it's a passion of mine that I kind of put it on one side last year, but I realized no, I want to do more. So, and I've got lots of stamps and different supplies, so you will see this at least once a week. I will do some shorts video and I will do some chatty videos. Sometimes I'll do both with the same project. So yeah, so before I show you the project, let me show you the paper that I have used. That part of my new kit, which is called Beautiful Background Paper. Let me show you the kit first, and we will come back here and I'll show you the project. So this kit includes 14 pages, and I'm going to show you one by one. So we've got some pink, geometric pink, geometric green. I love this black and white, absolutely love it, because this goes with every single color of the planet. That's another one of my favorite. It's blue, like more like a china blue. Red, well actually burgundy more than red. Got some cream, it's like a light brown creamy color. Navy and cream. It's one of my favorite color combination. Another deep dark burgundy, and then it's the same pattern in different colors. So we've got olive green, more like a emerald green, because you can probably definitely see the difference. I'm not sure you see them on camera, but you can definitely see them in live. More like a red, deep red color. A light olive green. More like a yellowish. Baby blue. And last but not least, it's a really nice deep purple violet color. Those two cards are very similar. I've used the same background paper, same pink one, and I have used the stamp here. The stamp set I have for absolutely years and years, and then used my paper doily, those ones which are cutting in half, because it got the pink. They were pink and red, yeah, and then the reverse of them is white. So I just cut it in half. So as you can see here, that's the pink and the red, and that's the red and the reverse. So one card here, the background is white. On here, the background is pink. Just play with the hearts with the same. This is a die set, which is this one here. Is from Stampin Up. I'm probably going to use this a lot of time because I quite like the fact that you can put the ribbons through. So, and then little story, I've got this from eBay because I have quite lots of embellishments, but I didn't have colorful sequins. So I got this sequence, let me show you, but those ones here, if I can open them. So I got gold, pink, and then some excuse me, some Christmassy one, which are red, silver, gold and green. So I went on eBay, as you do, and I thought, all right, let's get some colorful sequins because I need them in different colors. And of course, because I don't read anything, this bag came and I was like, oh my god, they're absolutely huge. So they're gigantic sequins, But do you know what, guys? I quite like the fact that they're huge compared to your normal size sequins. So I'm actually, first of all, I said, oh, should I send them back? And then I thought, actually, it's nice to have something a bit different. So now I've got a bag of these XXXL sequins, which, to be fair, guys, I quite like them. So on here I put them upside down, and on here I just put the pink one. Well, I don't really know, is this the right way up or this is the right way up? Let me know in the comment, because I generally don't know, but I do like this way. I think this is the right way up. Let me know if it's the red or the pink the right way up. Anyway, so these few cards I made. You probably seen my short video done here on YouTube and on Instagram. I'm very active on Instagram, so please come and join me over there. I also found, as I was tidying the craft room, lots of my paper doilies, so I'm gonna stick this together into one bag. Okay, also thank you so much for the stash, for your purchases. All the stamp I got, everything is gone, but as I was tidying up, I found more stamps to go away, so I'll probably do a video next week for another distash. But instead to do all little bits, I will do one, just put it all, it's literally mainly stamp sets. I will put all into one lot, and then if you guys want it, if not, I'll just put it on eBay. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you like those two little cutie happy birthday cards. If you like card making like myself, I will link a playlist here somewhere in the video where you just can click and check out all the previous card making videos I've done in the past. All different sort of styles of card, some long videos, some short videos, just to give you some inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, stay safe and well.